Hey everyone, today I want to talk about technique. And technique in Pilates is a lot like technique in ballet, in music, in art. It's not like you walk into your first class and automatically have perfect technique. Technique in Pilates is something that it doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to build. It's like putting layers back onto an onion, where you add a layer, master it, add another layer, master those two, add a third layer, master those three, then add another one, and keep going until you have perfect technique. So in these videos, I'm going to show you all of these layers together, but this isn't how you should probably approach a class. Instead, pick one layer, master it, come back to this video, pick another layer, master that, keep adding on, keep adding layers. Don't necessarily try to do all of these corrections at the same time right away. Today I'm joined by my good friend Ademir, and because he's my good friend, I'm going to be really tough on him. But again, this is a tutorial. This isn't how you would approach the exercise in a class. I'm probably going to make him do way more reps than is necessary. And I'm also not going to touch transitions going into or out of an exercise. This is just about proper technique for one exercise. So today we're going to be working on the 100, and that's 100 singular, not plural. It's not the hundreds. We're not doing multiple sets, just one set of 100. That's it. Okay, so in classical Pilates, you always want to start proximal and then go distal, meaning you always start at your belly and then go out. So it doesn't matter if your toes are pointed, if your belly is popping out, right? Okay, so first start at the belly. So start drawing your navel in towards your spine, up towards your head, get that hollow belly. So navel in towards your spine, up towards your head, that hollow feeling, that Heimlich feeling of your abdominals, and keep that forever. And that's classical Pilates. So keeping that, then bring your chin to your chest, curl up so that just the tips of your shoulder blades are on the mat. Dropping your shoulder blades back, but curling your head and chest up. Good. Keeping that hollow belly. Good. Curl up a little bit higher. Good. And then lower your head and chest down for a second. Good. All right. So upper body is like that, where your shoulder blades are just floating off the mat, but your shoulders are back. So you're not curling up by rounding your shoulders forward. You're really curling up from your belly. All right, so then keeping your head down, bring your legs up to tabletop. So knees over hips, shins parallel. Good. Relax your feet. Yep, and put all that tension into your belly. So draw your navel in and up your spine. Scoop your belly in and up. Your legs can stay like this the whole time. That's fine. It really depends on your abdominal strength, but bring your chin to your chest. I'm not going to let you do that though. So bring your chin to your chest, curl up, hollow belly. Dropping your shoulder blades back, but curling your head and chest up higher. Scooping that belly in even more. Good. And then reach your legs out where the ceiling and wall meet. So legs out where the ceiling and wall meet. Good. Legs out. Glue your heels together, the back of your legs together. Keep curling your head and chest up. Try relax your toes. Relax your toes. Head and chest up. Good. Shoulders back. Hollow belly. Good. Curl up higher, scooping deeper. Good. Then lower everything down. Rest for a second. Knees over hips, shins parallel, legs up into tabletop. Then bring your chin to your chest, navel scoops in and up, hollow belly. Drop your shoulder blades back. Good. Reach your legs out where the ceiling and wall meet. Glue the heels and the back of your legs together. Good. So legs out where the ceiling and wall meet. Good. Hollow belly. Keep curling up. Keep scooping in. Now pump your arms up and down. Good. Keeping your arms straight, but really pumping with the back of your arms. Good. Bring your thumbs with your fingers hug together. Good. Shoulder blades drop down your back, head and chest up. Good. Keep curling up. Good. Hollow belly. Good. Keep curling up. Good. And then bend your legs, rest your head down. Bend your legs in. Head and chest up. Shoulders back, hollow belly. Reach your legs up and pump. Inhale 5 counts, exhale 5 counts. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. Really pump with those upper arms, the back of your upper arms. Good. Head and chest up. Relax your toes. Good. Scoop your belly in. Head and chest up. Good. Keep curling up. And then rest. Good. That's it. Good. Relax your toes. Really pump with the back of your upper arms. Good. Head and chest up. Head and chest up, but shoulders back. Good. Hollow belly.
If it gets to be too much, keep your feet down, but keep curling your head and chest up. If you need to rest your head down, then bring your legs straight up towards the ceiling, and then curl your head and chest up off the mat as soon as you can.
Good. Good. Keep pumping with the back of your upper arms. Good. Then bend your legs and rest. Good.
Sweet.